Where was you?
I was in the boat.
What did you do?
I was in the boat. And I was on the lake.
You squished in the boat?
No, I was in the boat. The boat on the water. In the lake. I wasn't swimming, I was in the boat. And I was driving. And the shark came. Bit my head off.
Oh, where's your hand?
My head.
It bit your
It
hand
bit
off.
my head off. Where's my head?
Your head's right there.
No.
It bit on the hole right there. Sharks have short teeth.
Yeah, he said it bit a hole.
It bit a hole and put his teeth right inside there. And now you put this right there.
Is that what happened?
And it bit a hole right here too.
Oh boy. So where'd you see that
And
at?
I was like,
And I was getting out woods. And I said, who's on the boat? And Naila just said, it's me, Booty.
Oh boy.
Entertaining himself.
okay. He in the mirror.
Yeah, really. Ain't it?
Who you talking to?
Like, no, you're not Bully. You're Naila.
Oh, I know why he said that because I was saying,
Yeah!
Mama Booty.
I'm tripping in the